Hey guys, so we get asked a lot about solutions. We've noticed that people have been asking us online about what our solution mixes is, so we thought we'd make this quick video for you. So depending on what size sprayers you're using, we're using 1 liters. So we're going to base all our measurements off 1 liters bottles on these ones. Notice that I've got a green and a red spray bottle. Red for stop, green for go. So green is your slip solution. So we're using Johnson's Baby Shampoo, okay? So per liter of water, we're using 4 pumps of the Johnson's Baby Shampoo, okay? Red for stop, which means you're going to be able to tack your paint protection film when you want it to tack in areas when you don't want it to slip. So per liter of water, you want to add 99% isopropyl alcohol, and we're going to go between 3 and 4 ounces. Happy medium, 3.5 ounces per liter. So if you're using bigger bottles, just use, obviously, do your calculations on what you need. But pretty standard bottles are 1 liter bottles. So hopefully this answers your questions to what the solution mixes are. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.
All right, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please click on the link below at our website at www.renison.com. Please like and share and follow us